Good morning, students. So your first term exam is approaching very soon, right? And have you got the routine? No. Okay, routine is given, not given. So within this week, you will get routine, right? So what is today's date? 80, 2081, Ashad 11th, right? Today is Tuesday. So students, they are preparing. What are they preparing? Questions for sample questions for first term examination. Who are today's presentator? Group A. Group A and Group B? Group B only. So who are the members of Group B? Group B, who are there, right? So what do you want to do? You want to come one by one or you want to come everybody? What you have done? How many questions have you made? 75 marks question they have asked. If so, Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, if you do, then everybody will come here, right? So first, whom should I call? No, group, no, 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 I mean, in question also there are four groups, I mean. There is Group A, there is Group B, there is Group C and Group D. Yeah, from name is to present one group, one member will come from their group. Group B has made one full set question, and in that set question there are four groups. Group A very short questions. No, Group A MCQ. Group B very short. Group C, what is that? Short questions, and Group D long questions. That's why you choose yourself who wants to come first. First, which is the question? Who prepared the question and sent? Kritika Adhikari? Oh, you have done in PowerPoint presentation? Okay, PowerPoint presentation. You have sample question. Should we download? Is there animation or no animation? No animation. Directly we can download also. Right? 1.3 MB. Have you decided who wants to come first? Sneha? Okay, Sneha. Sneha, please come. So Sneha is going to explain this first question, eh? Sneha. Right, group B. So if you know the answer, you can tell answer as well. Right? So this is the way to learn as well. And after completion of this presentation, I will make you to do the understood? Listen up.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to your respected science teacher and my dear friend. As all, it's Miss Mehra from grade 9 standing here to present question for first terminal examination.
Sorry. Okay. MCQ.
Which is the smallest metric unit used in measurement distance using a ruler scale? Millimeter, meter, centimeter, decimeter. Which of the following are found in extreme environment conditions?
Wait a minute. I think you no, no side talking.
Which of the following are found in extreme environment conditions?
Use Nepali also.
Mycobacteria, cyanobacteria, ecobacteria, archaebacteria. Who among the following is known as the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus, Aristotle, Johann Ray, Charles Darwin. Which of the following, sir, God, which of the following do the wings of bird and insect
Exemplar.
exemplify? Homo organs, analog organ, vestal organ, and A and B both. Which of the following group are connected by an ar- archeo- archaeopteryx? A mammal and reptile, a bird and a reptile, a bird and a mammal, an amphibian and a bird. Which of the following carries impulses away from the cell body? Dendrites, chiton, axon. Which of the following is an edible mushroom? Fly, agaric, dead cop, Matrigetrica, guccica. Which nervous carry impulses? Central nervous system, sensory nerve, affective nerve, motor nerve, and A and B both. Which gland is also called the master gland? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland. Which of the following is the abiotic factor of the ecosystem? Soil, alga, fungus, bacterium.
Okay. 10 questions, right? Yes. Thank you very much, Sneha, right? So Sneha has done this one, and they done this in this. What is this one? So here it comes. I think point wise. Then we can discuss this also. Let's discuss here the answers as well. Okay. Please read the question. First question. Measuring distance. So which is the correct option? Millimeter. That's right. This A. But one thing I want to suggest you, when you write here one, again if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, then it doesn't seem so good, right? So you can write A, B, C, D, small a, small b, small c, small d. Yes or no? Or I, that Roman also you can use. Ka, kha, ga, ga also you can use. But it should not be same, I mean. Yes or no? Aye. Question number 2. Read the question. Extreme environment conditions. Which one is the correct? Archibacteria. Fourth one is correct, right? Archibacteria. Now, let's see the question. Number 3, what is here? The following is known as father of taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus, but C should be capital, okay? Yes or no? Good. So actually, what did I say? I told you to prepare the question and come, and we have to discuss as well. Otherwise, preparing question, not discussing means in exam, how will you do? Right? These are the sample questions. So there is a probability of asking some questions from here as well. Understood or not? That's why focus on yourself and do better. Question number 4. What does the question say? Following, do the wings of birds and insects imply? So, uh, analogous organs. Analogous organ means their origin is different, function is same, right? Function is same. Homologous means their origin is same, function is different. What is here? Let me see. Wings of birds and insects, that is analogous. And wings of birds and forelimbs of humans, they are homologous, right? Origin is same. Hey. Question number 5. Read the question. What does the question say? By Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx, a bird and a reptile. That's right. Question number 6. Which of the following carries impulses away from the cell body? Exam. Fourth one, right? Yes or no? So I have already told you your question will be prepared in such a way that you have to do in question paper only, right? You have to write your name, roll number, and just later on staple on it. Ticking matter. Very simple thing, right? But if there are 2 marks, then 2 marks means sometimes means what will happen? You will think, oh, Dendron is correct, ticking. Oh, exam is correct, ticking. Then your marks gone. You will not get marks, right? So be very careful. This is the practice which is applied everywhere. Like when you go for entrance examination of any boards, either for grade 11 or bachelor or master or MPhil. It's like that. You have heard about MBBS. Yeah? Have you heard MBBS? What is that? MBBS, but its full form is a bit interesting one. First of all, there must be full form of M and B and BS, right? But not like that. MBBS means Bachelor in Medicine and Bachelor in Science. Very interesting, right? It should be BMBS, right? But they don't write. What do they say? MBBS, Bachelor in Medicine and Bachelor in Science. Right? So, which of the following is an edible mushroom? Gucci chow, very expensive one. Which knob carries from impulses to central nervous system? Both A and B. But here you wrote A and B, but here you know A and B. Is here A and B? Yes, should be A and B, no? A, B, C, D. Right? So remember, sometimes they do mistake like this. So question number 9. Which gland is also called the master gland? Pituitary gland. And which gland is also called the gland of emergency? Adrenal gland. Which gland is also called heterocrine gland? Pancreas. I think they are not given here, right? So, which gland is exocrine gland? Exocrine gland is not given here. These all are endocrine gland. They produce hormones, and the hormone is secreted directly mixed with blood. And number 10, which of the following is the abiotic factor of ecosystem? Soil. Give them a big round of applause. Good, they have done. Now, I'm not going to open next question because it's the duty of next person. Who is going to come first? Group B. Biresh. Okay, Group B. Biresh, you come and explain this one. Hey? Biresh is going to tell about next questions. I think these are short answer questions, right? Very short question answers. Okay. This 10, yeah. Pull it down. Good. Everybody, please pay attention and do accordingly. Eh?
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our scientists and dear friends. As you know, it may be just from class 9 standing to say question A number. Define geology. B number. Who are called physics physicists. C number. What is astronomy?
If you come this side, it will be better. So your face also can be seen. Yeah, okay.
D number. Write the scientific name of mango. E number. What are fulfills? Say what is fulfills? Who suggests mutation theory?
Okay.
G number. Write the name of complex permanent tissue.
All right.
S number. Write the function of dendrites. I number. Mention any two abiotic compound. Abiotic compound. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Member from Group B, and he is Biresh Maharjan. Starts from B. He belongs to Group B, and he presented Group B from this question also, right? Group B in the class, Group B from this set, and his name also starts from B. Give him a big round of applause. Okay. Now listen. Now it's quite easy to get marks in science if you pay attention. If you do not pay attention, finally there will be tension. Yes or no? One thing you have to keep in mind, theory, it is of how much marks? 75 marks. Practical, it is of 25 marks. Practical also, there will be participation, project work, and your unit test. From your unit test also, you will get marks. From unit test, you will get 5 marks. Okay? Participation means when you become regular in the class, take part in activities, you'll get 4 marks. And when project work is given, like I'm giving you project work every day, Anand. These all are project works to you. You are submitting. So project work, it carries 16 marks. 16 plus 4, 20, and unit test 5, 25. Accordingly, you will get the marks. Understood or not? So without doing any work, you cannot do. This is also a kind of presentation. Are they presenting or not? Right? Okay. What is geology? Geo means about earth. It means it is connected with the study of earth, right? Right. Number one, who are called physicists? We study about physics. We do some experiment on physics, right? It means they say no. The musicians, what do they say? There is music in our all blood. They say nasa nasa ma music. They say. It means physics in their nasa nasa. What is their physics? Natural phenomena, right? Okay. What is question number C? What is astronomy? Yeah. Study about Earth, geology. Study about heavenly bodies, celestial bodies, astronomy. Number D, scientific name of mango. What is scientific name of mango? You have to write Mangifera. Then Indica. This is handwritten. Am I right, Arnold? If handwritten, you must not forget to underline. Single here and here you do double. That's better. But it must start from capital letter. It must start from small letter. Scientific names you have to study. Eh? So this is the sample. I may write the scientific name of frog. Then you have to write Rana, Tigrina. But in book, I think something is given. Will you check there once? No, Rana, this frog. Check there, scientific name. Chapter 2. Rana Tigrina is given. Those in, okay, is it? Now, okay. If human beings is given, Homo sapiens. If wheat is given, Triticum aestivum. If a house fly is given, Musca domestica. So Musca domestica. Domestica. Tica. Oh, it become godward, right? Here should not be domestica. Domestica. First, only one line. Second, how many? Two. It signifies it. What is next question? What are fossils? Remains of ancient plants and animals preserved in sedimentary rocks, especially. They are fossils. Who suggested mutation theory? Yeah. Who suggested? Hugo de Vries. Hugo Debries. So Hugo de Vries or Dutch 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 biologist. Hey, so you remember this thing? Write the name of complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. Next question, write the function of dendrites. Axons to cell body. Other axons to cell body. Mention any two abiotic components, soil and water. Okay. Thank you very much, Biresh. Now, our next slide is open. I don't know who is going to present. Please come. Third member. Which third member? Third member is Nistara Sai. Give her a big round of applause.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, our science teacher and my dear friends. As we are discussing the question answer of first term examinations of 75 marks, and some of my friends have already discussed about MCQ and very short question answer. My turn is to discuss about short question answer. First one is, what are vestigial organs? Describe with examples. What are the drawbacks of Lamarckism? Third one is, write the function of cerebrum and cerebellum with 2 points of each. Difference between exocrine and endocrine glands. Uh, Question number 5. Define ecosystem and ecological interactions. Write any four example of top consumer in pond ecosystem. 7 number. What is the role of algae in the pond ecosystem? Mention the and also mention the ecosystem component.
Slowly. Make it small. No, so you can do like this. Right? Both hands.
Question number 8. What are the four important laboratory safety rules? Question number 9. What is the scientific notation? Also write what is its importance in scientific learning. Question number 10. What is the classification? Also on what basis are living organisms classified? Question number 11. What are the 7 classification groups? Question number 12. Who is known as the father of taxonomy and why? Question number 13. What is mushroom? Name any two edible mushroom. Question number 14. Mention any 4 evidence of organic evolution. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you very much. Okay, so Group C. SETS Group C is presented here by Nistara Sai. And one thing you have to keep in mind, this presentation carries lots of marks. Understood or not? I have given you to prepare the slides and I have asked you to present here. So these all are the evaluatory factors. We just do evaluation and provide marks. Understood or not? So it's internal evaluation. I think vestigial BSTIGAL. So who prepared this question? They have to be very careful. So short questions, write down here. First Group C, short questions and marks also. 2 times 14 equals to 28, right? 28 marks. Vestigial organs describe with example. So here must be question mark. So what are the example of vestigial organs? Nictitating membrane in eyes, wisdom tooth, pinna, vermiform appendix, hair in our body, right? Basically, vestigial organs are those rudimentary, very small organs present in our body, which are functionless, but they are functional in other organisms, right? And can the example only given. What are the drawbacks of Lamarckism? So here, how many drawbacks you have to write? 2 drawbacks. So will you find out the drawbacks of Lamarckism? What the first point? First one, who is going to read? Yes, right. Criticism and drawback is same. Yeah, it does not explain origin of rage. What is it?
Lamarck has proved experimentally that use and disuse of organs can modify organisms.
Yeah, use and disuse of organisms cannot modify organisms. Number one. Number second.
Acquired characters are not inherent. They will be inherited.
Yes, all acquired characters. So these points you have to remember. Understood or not? Main points. So
We write two marks.
not only actually, this section can provide you 2 marks of each question. That's why we should not write many more points. Right? What does question number 4 say? Functions of cerebrum and cerebellum with 2 points of each. We don't need to write 2 points. Only 1 point. One function of cerebrum, one function of cerebellum. If you write two functions, it becomes heavier one. No? Right? One function of cerebrum, one function of cerebellum. Question number 4. Differentiate between exocrine and endocrine glands. Make a table. Left hand side one gland, other side next gland, but in the same side. Right? Number 5. Ecosystem and ecological interaction. Define the give the definition of ecosystem, ecological interaction. Write any 4 examples of top consumerism in porn. I think these questions are related one. Here also porn means one we have to discard like that, right?
I think in grade it is like that.
No, it is okay. Yes, sir. So what we're talking about, this 5 less cancel, and from 6 we can do. No, 5 is okay. 6 cancel 7. What is the role of algae in a pond system? The role of algae is as a producer. Also mention the ecosystem components.
Like biotic or
No. No, here. Mention the ecosystem components. What are the ecosystem components? Biotic components and abiotic components. Give one example. Understood or not? Abiotic component soil. In pond system, abiotic component water right down there, right? Or sunlight you can write. And biotic component fish, tadpole, etc. Right? Okay, question number 8. What does the question say? What are the here not 4? Listen, this became a bit heavy. Right? What are any 2 important laboratory safety rules? 2 only. Okay. Question number 9. What is question here? What is scientific notation? Why? What is its importance in scientific learning? 1 marks. What is classification? On what basis are living beings classified? What are the 7 classification groups? You can remember. In but it became too much long. No, 7 they have to write. What are the 7 classifications? We are known as the father of taxonomy and why? Yes. Father of taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus. Why? Because you are the first person to divide the organisms systematically. In how many kingdoms? 2 kingdoms. Plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Question number 13. What is mushroom? Name any 2 edible mushrooms. So, mushroom is a saprophytic fungus. And what are the edible mushrooms? You can write. Mention any 4 evidences of organic evolution. But not 4. How many? 2. Okay. Here 4 means sometimes it can be asked because you write evidence from fossils, evidence from comparative morphology and anatomy, evidences from embryology, evidences from connecting links, right there. Okay, very good. Now the last presenter is coming to present the last question. Who is that? Kritika Adhikari. Give her a big round of applause.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our respected science teacher and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Kritika Adhikari and I am here to discuss about diagrammatic questions. So here's the first question. Skate a potted plant from the garden and keep it in the... So its third question is that why if you put the plants in sunlight, leaf changes its colors into green, and if we don't keep it in sunlight, its color changes into yellow, and why? You have to write only that.
Yeah. Next question.
Draw the diagrams for linear hierarchy given below. Housefly belongs to genus Musca, that belongs to the family
Hello.
Muscidae, that belongs to the order
Diptera.
Diptera that belongs to the class Insecta, that belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, and that belongs to the kingdom Animalia. So you should draw this and in wheat also. And next question is study the given diagrams and answer the following questions. Identify the given diagrams in which phylum or division does each organism belongs to, and write any three characteristics of each of the given organisms. And next is study the given diagrams and answer the following questions. Identify the given diagram, this is mushroom. Label all the parts and write any one function of each. Which part of the given diagram produces passage spores? And the next diagram is study the given diagram internal structure of gills. Label A, B, C, and F. Write the role of G and F. How are passage spores produces? Describe in short, and difference between basidium and paraphytes. Next is skates or embryos of birds, human and fish, also justify that they give evidence of evolution. And there are some questions. Answer the questions on the basis of given diagram. On the basis of this diagram, which organism is shown in the figure? What characters of birds are found in it? Which characters of reptiles are found in it? And why it is called the bridge animal? Next question is answer the question on the basis of given diagram. This what type of evidence of evolution is given by the diagrams? Explain the evidence in short. What similarity is found in the organs given in the diagram? Name the bones found in all of them, and how do the bones support in organic evolution? Sketch and neat label diagrams of different types of simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissues. Sketch a well-labeled diagram of a neuron. Make a chart showing different types of animal tissues. Study the given diagram and answer the following questions. And here are the questions. Name the tissues shown in A and C. Name any two organs in which the tissue D is found. Which one of the above tissue forms the tip of a plant's root? Which tissue is responsible for internal transportation in human body? Which of the above tissues provides mechanical support to the plants? Which of these tissues has cells in lacunae? And sketch a neat and label diagram of central nervous system. Sketch the diagram showing the reflex arc and answer the following questions on the basis of this given diagram. Which of the system shows the outer surface white? Which part is responsible for the body posture? A person goes into a coma after an accident. Which part of the body is injured? A person cannot stand properly after using alcohol. Which part is affected by the alcohol? Which part is responsible for reflex actions? Sketch a neat and label diagram showing the position of glands which can form hormones and answer the following questions. Name A, D, and F. Write the functions of B, C, and E. What are the secretion of D? Also write the function of secretions. What is the effect of hypersection of B? Which glands are inside B? And next is sketch a label diagram of heterocline gland. Shows the juices and fluid produced by the gland. Also mention the impact of lack of any one hormone of them. Sketch a chart showing a pond ecosystem. Study the given diagram, answer the following questions. Identify Identify any 5 food chains and show them with the help of separate flowcharts. Identify primary consumers and secondary consumers. What will happen if all the tigers of the food cycle are killed? What type of ecosystem does it show? Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you very much, Group B. And presentation also over. I have said you long questions must be of diagrammatic one, and they have just made here diagrammatic questions. Many more diagrammatic questions. Okay, so who prepared this question? See attached and done. Okay, so I want to suggest you this very long questions means look at here. This one. Diagrammatic questions. So diagrammatic question, let's do one thing. Like, here is one diagrammatic question. Hey, question can be given. Write the taxonomical hierarchy of housefly. No, no. If it is given taxonomical hierarchy, you have to make a chart. You have to make an inverted pyramid, and then you have to write first domestica, then musca, then what is next?
No, no, I think first page. So first you should write animalia.
No, no, means from down. Domestica, musca, mucidae, diptera, insecta, arthropoda, and animalia. You have to make a chart. Or if it is given with, then what to write first? Estivum, triticum, then poaceae, poales, monocotyledon, angiosperm, and plantae. These two questions can be given for 4 marks. So you have to make that pyramid and write. That will not be given. Simply what may be given? What may be given? Write the taxonomical hierarchy of Musca domestica, or write the taxonomical hierarchy of Triticum aestivum. Did you get the point? What I said? This whole thing will not be given to you. Only that organism name will be given. You have to write kingdom to species. Is that clear? Or here are 2-3 questions mixed. So only one question can be asked. Here is diagram. Then you have to identify division, phylum. You have to write. Eh? Here also 2 questions are there. Among in between two, only one can be given. But if there are 4 questions, it's okay. 4 marks. If there are 3 only, then we will manage max. But if there are more, then it's not possible. We'll decrease. Eh? Here also, in question number 4, there are given A, B, C given, right? If so, this A is not suitable. Either B or C. Four are there, no? Can be given, right? Okay. That is the sample question, first sample question for first term examination 2081. So everybody take out your copy. I will show in the screen the first questions. You just copy immediately and do it, right? So otherwise you will be very passive. All right, your time starts now. Take out your copy and do.